This is a quick video tutorial that will show you how to create and use labels in Gmail. This is a great feature that helps you organize your email inbox. In most email programs, you get the option to store your email in folders. In Gmail, you use labels to categorize your email. Labels are similar to folders, however, you can apply several labels to an email, then later find the email by clicking any of its labels from the left panel. You can also search by label. Step 1. How to create a label. Go to Gmail. On the left, scroll down, then click More. Click Create New Label. Name your label. Click Create. Step 2. How to label messages in your inbox. Go to Gmail. Select the messages. At the top, click Labels. Select a label, or create a new one. Here I have created a few labels. I have also added a few emails to the label Quora Digest. Let me show you how. Go to the search box at the top, enter what you'd like to find. I am going to search for Blue Dot Insights. Press Enter. A list of emails will show. Select the box at the very top to select all. This will allow you to add labels to your email in bulk. You will see that the number of emails in the Blue Dot label has changed. You can further organize your email inbox by creating sublabels or subfolders. Select the three dots beside the desired label, scroll down to add sublabel and name the label. To add an email to the sublabel, you would use the same steps as before. You can use labels to track the status of people's tasks, organize email by nesting labels like subfolders, identify email that needs follow-up, identify email that can be read later. You will then see both the label and sublabel on the email. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to use my professional services as your inbox manager, click the link in the description to learn more. Thank you.